Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nissa and today I'm doing a bedroom deep clean with me. This is just an overview of our bedroom. It has two sides, the living space and then the sleeping space, and we have stairs that run through the middle of it. And we just have a nice pile up of laundry that I haven't done in like 2 weeks, and a collection of water bottles on either side of our bed. My husband is starting night shift this weekend, so this is the last time I will be able to clean my room for potentially the next 2 months, and maybe even 2 more months after that, since we will be having a baby. And I say that because I'll be sleeping up here at night, and during the day he'll be sleeping up here, so there really won't be any opportunity for me to come up again. You also might be wondering if you saw a Christmas tree when I did the overview of the room, and yes, you did. I put that up last year, and it is now September 2023, and I'm just now going to take it down. Seriously though, I wasn't kidding when I said I had about 3 weeks of laundry up here. I really am the worst at folding it and putting it away, and I feel like my husband and I have kind of just accepted our lifestyle of living out of laundry baskets. Hopefully someone else out there can relate. To any of the other pregnant mamas out there, I hope you can relate to the fact that I keep moving around and I literally can't sit in one position for a long period of time, otherwise my hips kill. I would just like to say that this video was filmed over the course of 3 days. The first day that I am folding the laundry, I felt really sick this day and just knew I needed to stop. So that is why you see me in a different outfit throughout the rest of the video. So it's now the evening of what I believe was the next day. Yesterday was literally so rough. I don't know why. I just randomly sometimes feel so sick. But yeah, I just knew I had to stop. So I'm just going to start the laundry that's up here and wipe a few surfaces down. My husband's nightstand literally looks so questionable because the front piece is off and there's just like random crushed pills inside of it, which I'm pretty sure is just melatonin. But these nightstands I just think are so cute, but they are definitely not the best quality. really have no excuses for leaving this Christmas tree up other than the fact that I got lazy and just gave up with it. But that's okay. I'm taking it down now, and that is an accomplishment. And let me tell you, I'm never putting it back up here because I know if I do, it'll stay up here again. So if you watched my videos before, you might have noticed that I had this blanket ladder originally in my dining room. It really bugged me that it was in there because it just didn't make any sense to me. So I decided that I could maybe hang my jeans on it and display them just because we do have limited storage space up here and I currently don't have a drawer to put my bed sheets in. That may sound like we're ungrateful for the space that we have or we have a crazy amount of clothes. I will say we do have a decent amount of clothes, but we also don't have a ton of storage in our house. And we live in a place where we get all 4 seasons, so we have winter and summer clothes. So I just feel like the space gets taken up pretty quickly. Now I'm just going to strip the bed and put new sheets on. I also washed our duvet cover, so you're going to see me put that back on too. I used to always have the hardest time putting my duvet cover back on my duvet, but I did learn a little hack. If you turn the duvet cover inside out, connect all 4 corners, then reach your hands inside of the cover and flip it back over top of the duvet, it comes out perfect every time. I will say, changing the sheets on my bed, I find to be one of the most exhausting things because our bed is on the floor and we have this sloped ceiling above us. So I just feel like I'm always crouched down and in an awkward position, and I always just feel exhausted after. I'm just cleaning off this dresser now. It really is an issue, and I'm definitely the problem when it comes to it. So I'm just trying to find homes for all of my cosmetic stuff, and I'm also going to clean off my desk. I used to work from home and I used that desk as a workspace, but now I'm going to turn it into a vanity. I also don't want it to seem like my husband doesn't help at all with the cleaning or the chores, but he does have a full-time job and I am just a stay-at-home mom. I'm the homemaker. So this is my work that I do, and I don't really expect him to pick it up. I do see it as my responsibility, but I am very appreciative of the times when he does pitch in and help. So now I'm just going in with my Swiffer duster and dusting the walls and the ceilings and also hitting the trim around the floor. I know I'm making the strangest face while I'm dusting this spot, but I saw probably like 4 or 5 little spiders and it just really creeped me out. So at this point in the video, if you're still watching, I'm just going to assume that you probably have watched my other videos, and you might be wondering why my aesthetic downstairs and the aesthetic I have in my bedroom are like totally opposites. And part of that is just because I've always had this philosophy that my bedroom should be like a minimal place where it just should be focused on rest and not entertained by like artwork or colors or anything that's going to stimulate me and prevent me from sleeping. I literally do not remember the last time I dusted up here. That sounds really bad, but I just feel like my bedroom becomes like the last priority on my to-do list. So that is why it looks really gross. I feel like as moms, that's normal, that we always tend to put ourselves as the last priority, and that definitely reflects in my bedroom since I just use it as my storage space. But now I'm going to go around and just vacuum the whole room. You may have noticed my little helper made his way up here. He's waiting for his turn to use the vacuum cleaner because that literally is his favorite thing to do. He begs me all the time to get the vacuum out whenever he sees a mess. It really is the sweetest thing, but sometimes I'm just like not in the mood to clean, and he's always ready to do it. If you're still watching, I would just like to say thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my video. It really means a lot. I hope that you found this video to be encouraging and motivating to just clean whatever space it is in your house that needs a little love. And just remember to give yourself grace. Not everything's going to be perfect all the time, and that's okay.